The visitors win the toss and will bowl first.
Oh, they're confident.
Good bowling in that over.
Ah, what a good shot. Nice shot, that one.
Yes!
Tremendous stroke.
Power and precision in that shot.
Yep.
Great fielding there, on target despite the distance. Watson is taking a really good approach to this innings and gets 50.
Yep.
That's way too full and sent racing away to the boundary.
Big appeal.
Off the bat and over the...
Gone! What a stunning delivery. Solid shot. Goes for 4.
He's beaten all ends up by that.
Everyone getting behind that appeal. They feel... They all go up for an LBW shout. Maybe it's...
Big shout, but was there anything to shout about? These last few overs have changed the momentum of this innings. 3... Powerful shot. He's certainly got hold of that.
Yes. Keeper.
Time for a change in the commentary box, and welcome again to James Taylor.
Thanks, lads. Evening to you all.
I think both teams will think they're in with a shot here. Will be a thrilling chase.
Change of bowling. The medium pacer is coming into the attack.
That's racing to the fence.
Yes. Gotcha.
Solid shot. Goes for 4.
Wait on.
Oh, what a catch!
Gotcha.
The bowler won't like that at all.
Yep.
Precision, just a great shot. They're confident in this one.
Yep. Catch it.
takes it. Great catch.
Yep. Catch.
Good shot.
Yep. Catch it.
Precision, just a great shot.
Yep. Catch it.
Oh, what a good shot.
Yep. Catch it.
Good shot. Maybe some back there. I don't know.
Yep. Yep. Catch it.
Nothing hard about that one. Easy catch.
Yep. Yep. Catch.
Oh, nice catch. Great reactions.
Yep. Catch.
That deserved it. Poor delivery and rightly punished.
They've taken a comfortable win here. Played really well out there.